As many as 31 community health centers, CHCs in the state will be converted into first referral units to tackle emergency surgeries and other health concerns. A total of 10 CHCs would be identified in the first phase. Disclosing this information, Secretary of Health Ram Kumar S. said 30 doctors are currently in Chennai attending a 6-month training in specific areas like ultrasonography, life-saving skills, emergency observatory care, cesarean delivery, C-section, etc. Once these doctors return to the state in June, they will be deployed in the selected CHCs, Ram Kumar said. In addition, the health department also wants to convert 14410 COVID helpline number into a full-fledged helpline for any kind of health issues, Ram Kumar said.
Because this is first time it's happening like this, where 6 months back, our government of the then health minister, we had gone to Chennai, we had signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government to train our doctors in 3 major topics: ultrasonography, life-saving anesthetic skills, LSAS, and CMO, Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric Care. And the 14410 helpline, that has been made into a much larger helpline now. So as you know, we have started the medical corporation, so the medical drugs and surgicals and equipment. We have started a corporation which is looking into professionally into supply of these drugs and diagnostics completely online. We are just about to go online. We have had a lot of training and it's going on. By within a week, tenders will be fully online.